Not gonna need to put I grinded 15k coins to buy the dog, and I finally did buy him. And I got some crazy within the grinding. I really didn't do much. I didn't do like 4 endless this whole time, and I opened a few. That's shiny. Bad, the new bird I made. Okay, now let's have it. None of them were. This means it will be mythic if I had 3 actually. Or epics, just like that. Stuff. I was hoping that people pay for to test how many beaver creatures take. A shiny penguin. There's a shiny penguin. Damn.
Vamos a disfrutarla. La vida es un carrusel. La vida es un carrusel.
Anyway, the one that that really is but the adding costs. Maybe I should just go up but I still for some no amazing thing. Loki sucks, and we do aim primal, epic, and alpha. So this will only do an endless run. This is a magic episode of New Pro, because I still have other stuff to do, and video wise. Yeah. I actually have to get near to ending it within this count. Because these are the secrets. This is. I do not have any secrets yet. I have spent on too many, like 10,000 too many. We're gonna see how far this team can get. Endless. Get the DB, and yeah, we're gonna test him out, see if he's worth buying as a new, and if he is, that's why we have him. Anyway, next. In the next video, I'm probably gonna showcase something on my main account, a new unit, so. That's going to be an hour or so I still planning to do on that one. Let's see if he's worth buying. Send me single and use lead, and it's cheap. Sadly, it does not decline. I still have him on my main account, so I think it's worth it. I'm just going to show everything. So we move on. Shortish video. I don't do I still have to get 65 days. Oh. Ah, yes. Perfect. So it's horrible mode, so put an account, use an account. That's what kind of stuff playing is in horrible mode. And it is likely harder. save. Wait, I can just sell you and place you. Yo.
Vamos a disfrutarla.
Yeah, boy.
La vida
Let's
es un carrusel.
get the max out some music. 300 DPS is not bad. Let's speed this up a bit so we can get more money. One made food. That might count. Really damage. High damage in my opinion. High damage. Look, I have a good decent beaver and I am saving up 20k. I'm gonna save up 50 beaver crates to see how many shinies we can get to get a big shiny. Yeah. We did 8 big shinies. And the golden wizards. Please don't mind that. And they live next to you. I know we don't make a bunch of progression in story base, and I think episode 3, not 3, 4, so this is 3. 4 will be focused on hardcore story 1, and just completing all of hardcore to show, yo, you don't need help. The minimum you need. And I'm going crates, and we have to get Octo soon, so you need that. It's necessary. Yo, it's just me, it's just kind of OP unit in my opinion. This is a decent unit for beginners, and sadly I can't, it's actually too late to say, hey, it's worth buying. I would say, probably first plan to count all the points I need to buy the second one for 15, and then with the money up there, I might go for make a video on my main account. I'll just something I've sold before. Yeah. I will completely hard I can do build this, and this is really the entire video of one enchant crystal. Let's return to the lobby, and then I'll use that and then what the video got kind of my main and going this fight afterwards again and see if we succeed or not. So yeah, this is a very straightforward video. Anything I can use posted as it is, I need to add music, that's all. And some smaller details, and yeah, maybe that is local copy free music now, and that stuff. And I will only be posting every video, a short video from now on, and every short there will be a link in the comment section to the main video. Shout out please to shout me out, man. If you have any praise, just shares, send people my viewing. And yeah, I think this is actually quite decent. If I don't get a good unit for with this enchant crystal, good enchant crystal, then I'll show him. I'll be joking. It is better. It's better enchant, so I gotta keep it. We all allow it because I'm gonna sell doing another giraffe for the joke. The giraffe. It's like one, no, it's all like 3%. Adios, amigos, bye.